Hello everyone, my name is Shauna. Welcome to my channel and please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. So I'd like to share a Bath and Body Works haul with you. I had a couple of coupons that were expiring today, so I needed to go ahead and take advantage of that. I had a 20% off and also a free item up to $7.50. Definitely have to take advantage of those coupons, guys. And here's a tip: if you're not getting your coupons, because that happened to me during the pandemic, just call Bath and Body Works customer service. They'll update everything, make sure they have your correct address and everything, and so you can start getting your coupons, because we definitely need to save money, right? So I went ahead and got more of the Easter things. I got a sweet bunny berry. I picked up another fine fragrance mist. And the scent notes for this one says, celebrate Easter with this sweet blend of sparkling raspberry, candied petals, and crystallized sugar. And you guys, this is very sweet, very candy-like, confectionery scent, and I absolutely adore this so much. It smells like Peeps, the little marshmallow candies, chicks. They're chicks. In my last video, I was like, "What are they? Ducks?" I couldn't, I couldn't remember, but I guess they're little chicks. But that's what this smells like. It's delicious. So I actually did the buy two get one, and my store was out of the body cream, so I went ahead and picked up two hand creams. Cute packaging. I love how they upside down. I love how they did the different colors: purple, yellow, and then the shower gel is blue and the body cream is pink. I just think it looks so beautiful. I love pastels, so yeah, I love the colors. I don't know about the bunnies on there, but I definitely love the colors. So I picked up some more of that. And then I also picked up another What's Shakin hand soap because I just couldn't resist. I love this one so much. It's ice cream, chocolate fudge, and cookie bits, and that's what this smells like to me. It's very, very strong. You can definitely smell it on your hands, and it smells like cookies and cream ice cream. The reviews online are horrible, though. People are saying it's awful. It smells like old lady perfume, and they don't get any chocolate, and I don't know what they're talking about. Comment and let me know what you think about this if you've smelled it, because I smelled the chocolate and the vanilla. So I really love this, and I love the packaging, the little milkshake on there. Love it. So definitely had to get more of that. And then for my free item, I went ahead and picked up another Dahlia Fine Fragrance Mist, and in travel size. And the scent notes for Dahlia, let's see: velvet dahlia petals, crisp pear, praline musk, and whipped tonka bean. And I love this one. When I first smelled it, I thought it was very, very, a little, maybe a little too strong, but it's really grown on me. It's beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. Some people say that this smells like Jessica Simpson's Fancy, and I don't know because I haven't smelled that yet, because I still have a lot of perfumes I'm trying to work through. But I'm sure that's definitely on my to get shopping list, because I really love Dahlia. Very sophisticated, beautiful floral, but you get like that praline note. It's just lovely, but you do have to like florals in order to enjoy this. So if you don't like florals, because this one is pretty strong, maybe avoid this one. So I got that. I got another Some Bunny Loves You Buttercream Cupcake antibacterial hand sanitizer, and my store had, I had planned on getting, what is it? What do you get? 6 for $8? I don't remember. But I wanted to do the bundle, but they were out of this. This is all they had left. So I just went ahead and picked this up because I love it. You guys know I'm a very basic vanilla type of girl if you follow my channel, and if you don't, I love like just basic vanilla scents. Anything sweet, anything candy-like. And this smells like vanilla buttercream frosting. It's yummy, you guys. So yeah, picked up another one of those. And then I took advantage of the buy 3, get 3. I picked up a Sunset Glow Fine Fragrance Mist. I love the packaging on this. The packaging is so pretty. That beautiful pink sky sunset with the sparkles. Oh my gosh. So the scent notes are fresh coconut, sparkling cherry seltzer, dreamy moonflower, and caramelized vanilla. It's been a while since I used this one. I've been using so many of the other ones, the new releases. But this is like, it's like cherry and caramel and vanilla. Oh, I love this. Very, very, very pretty. So Sunset Glow. And then I got another In the Stars. Another just beautiful packaging. I love anything gold. And I love pink too, obviously. You know. But look at that. Like the little, the little smear paint. Looks like pink, like baby pink paint. But the scent notes for this one are, the scent description, that's what I need to say. Make every moment glow with an addictive fragrance that radiates from start to finish like the stars above. In the Stars is a warm, sparkling blend of starflower, sandalwood musk, sugared tangelo, white agarwood, and radiant amber. And yeah, it's just really pretty. You get a lot of the amber and sandalwood, but there's this floral note hanging out in the background with some sweetness. It's so pretty. Yeah, so I really like In the Stars. And then I went ahead and picked up a raspberry jam donut. Oh, I love this one, you guys. It's part of the Bake Shop collection. Wild raspberry jam, powdered sugar, and warm, fluffy donut. And that's what this smells like. It smells like a raspberry, sugary donut. I love it. You get that bready note, but you get the raspberry sweetness, and it's just so pretty. It just really smells like bakery, and I love bakery scents. And then I picked up 3 more body creams. Okay, so I picked up raspberry jam donut in the body cream, and I love this pink color. It's so pretty. Color of my nails. Love it. So I got that, and then I got another strawberry pound cake. Love this one. Fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream, and this smells like a strawberry dessert. You get the sweet strawberry, sugary, vanilla, and there's this like this bready note, like cake note, but there's also like a cream cheese note in this. Kind of, some people don't like it. They say it smells sour, and I agree with that. I just don't mind the sour. It smells like cheesecake, so love this. And then I picked up another chocolate covered cherry. And some people hate this. I love it. So the scent description is rich milk chocolate, red cherries, and sweet liqueur. And this smells like a cherry Tootsie Pop. Cherry Tootsie Pop all the way. That's what this smells like. And I am one of the people that really, really like it. And it's odd because I normally do not like chocolate scents. Like, I don't like chocolate scents for home fragrance, for, you know, my body care, but there's something captivating about that cherry note mixed with the Tootsie Roll that I just love in this. So yeah. And then I got my 20% off, which is awesome. So I'm a happy camper. I'm kind of stocked right now. Loving the new spring products that are out. I just love it. Just right up my street. So please comment and let me know which one of these you like, if you were able to take advantage of your coupons. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. More coupons. Hello. Okay, so I got this in the mail. And it's just really, really cute packaging. I love spring and summer. So let's see what the coupons entail. Hot pink, favorite, just love it. Okay, so you get your free gift up to $7.50. No purchase necessary, and this is good now through April 4th. And I thought it was any item up to $7.50, but I tried to use my free item on a hand soap, and the sales clerk wouldn't let me. She said it had to be body care. Let me read the back of it and see, because I mean, I don't understand why it had to be body care. Okay. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything on here that says that it has to be body care. But I mean, I didn't want to give her a hard time. You know, they work so hard in retail. All my retail workers out there, shout out to you, because you guys have been phenomenal, especially during the pandemic with all of the stress and the regulations and trying to get people to adhere to the social distancing and wearing masks while everything's so unknown. You guys, awesome. Jesus bless and keep you for real, because you guys are awesome. And then there's also a 20% off your entire purchase, and I love those, especially when you bundle and save. You can save so much money. Love it. So yeah, I'm going to try to use some of what I have before I use these. So these are good until April 4th, which is awesome. So thank you for spending the last few minutes with me. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.